All right, Tony, what we got in the works today, man?
So today we're going to be doing a maintenance detail for this Tesla Model 3, weekly.
How fast do you want to knock it out?
Like around an hour usually.
Hey, man, it's getting kind of cold already, Tony.
Yeah, it's chilly.
Is that going to affect the detail at all?
Not too much with this one. It'll just affect me, but not really the detail.
Well, hopefully you don't get sick.
No, I feel like I'm a little slower when I'm cold.
All right, man. Wish you the best of luck, Tony. All right, Tony, for the people that don't know, what's your maintenance wash consist of?
So a detailed foam wash, mini interior detail, and either spray wax or a spray detailer, depending on if the vehicle's ceramic coated or not. So we already did our foam wash. We cleaned the wheels thoroughly inside and out, barrels, face, tires. Under here, we brush all that out too. We clean in there. And then we're gonna apply tire dressing, clean the windows inside and out. For the Teslas, they don't have a motor, but inside over here, we gotta open it up and vacuum and wipe everything down. And then inside, do a thorough vacuum, thorough wipe down, brush the crevices. So this is before we get started. We're also gonna do all the door jambs, wipe all the door jambs down. So if it's a new vehicle, it should look brand new, basically.
Is this a new vehicle?
This is pretty much a new vehicle. And then he's on our weekly maintenance plan, so it doesn't get too dirty.
Hey, Tony, so you mentioned this client, he's in your maintenance program. What does someone have to do to be in your maintenance program?
At least get a level 1.
Which is what?
Which is our clay and sealant. But for the most part, because we like to have them keep their vehicles protected, so if they get a level 1, they have to get that every 6 months. So most of our maintenance clients, they'll just go for the new vehicle protection package and they'll be set for 3 years. And then what's cool about that is we include our free maintenance on free coating maintenance on that, so they don't have to pay every single 6 months to get a booster on it. We'll just include it with the package.
All right, and then once they get that, then it's every week or every 2 weeks, once a month?
They have the option to do weekly or bi-weekly.
What if someone gets this? They do 2 maintenance washes and then they ghost you for a month or 2 months, and then they're like, Tony, hook me up with that maintenance. How do you feel about that, and what do you do?
We can still service them. We just depend on how the vehicle condition is. We might not do our, because we do a little, we hook them up on price and give them a little discount.
Yeah.
So if they take a while to come back to us, we probably will charge them just regular price, and then depending on the condition of the vehicle, then after a few more times we'll resume back on the discounted price.
All right, so pretty much, hey, don't ghost Tony, all right? Stick on the maintenance plan. All right, Tony. What else you got left, man, seems like?
Just the door jambs, and then just wipe down, door jambs, tire dressing. That's about it.
Oh man, you're doing great time.
Doing all right.
50 minutes or so?
Yeah, it's doing all right.
Yeah. All right. Hey,
a little bit.
Do you think maintenance really helps the business, or is it just to help your customers out?
It's both. It keeps business consistent, and then also helps with the customers in ways of the benefits that it includes, which some would be a discounted pricing, and then it also offers discounted pricing for our other packages. Plus, we hook them up whenever something goes wrong. They get a little scratch here and there, scuff, and we'll take care of it at no extra cost.
Yeah. For example, there's a stain in the back, right? Someone had too much fun. Could you remove that or no?
Technically, yeah, we'll hook them up and take care of it if the stain's removable.
Do you think it's removable or not?
Nah, I already tried it before. I already tried it.
Yeah.
I don't think so. We could try it again today, but it probably won't come out.
All right, guys, let us know in the comments below what we could do to remove that stain, all right? Hey, so this customer, Tony, how do you find you?
Instagram.
Those ads you were talking about?
Nah, my personal, personal page.
Oh, you got a personal page?
Yeah.
Jeez. All right, man. All right. Did you know he went to a couple detailers before he found you?
I believe so. Yeah. That's why I never really told him about it. But then one day he posted. I think he was like, "I'm looking for a detailer or something," and I was like, "Hey, I detail."
There you go. I already left your work, man. The consistency, your setup.
Nice.
Keep doing your thing, Tony.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Hey, Tony, so you got this car on the maintenance program, right?
Yeah.
Once a week.
Uh-huh.
The homie right here. But next week it's gonna rain all week. What's the game plan for that? How do you communicate that with your customer? And what options do you give them?
So I'll let them know, here are the days that are raining next week. Would you like to still do your vehicle or reschedule for another time? And then, well, for this client, it's a little bit different because he's heading out for the holidays. So I usually do his cars like midweek, but next week we're gonna do Monday, and then he's leaving like Tuesday or Wednesday. But he has a garage, so he can keep his vehicle stored while it's nice and clean. And then when he gets back from the holidays, he's gonna have a nice clean ride.
All right, guys. So Tony right here, he's talking big game right now. He's gonna go ask the detailer, "Hey, how much do you charge? Give me a card." You gonna steal his customer or what, Tony?
Probably not.
Do you think he's cheaper or higher than you? Or about the same?
I think he's cheaper.
Yeah. Well, what do you think gave it away? The setup or his style?
Both, but the client.
Yeah. Wait.
He's asked me before, and I gave him a price and he didn't want to do it.
Oh.
So.
Well, he's kind of your neighbor right now, right? Because we're at your shop.
Yeah.
And he asked you, "Tony, how much to detail my van?"
Yeah.
And you shot him what? How much did you charge him?
Outside only 60.
Outside only 60. And he said, "Nah."
He said, "Nah."
I said he's doing it for 30, bro. That's my guess.
I think 40.
40?
Yeah.
All right, we'll find out. You'll find out.
Yeah.
Hey, Tony, so what's up with that guy, man? How much does he charge?
Which one?
The guy, the detailer.
Oh, I think 30 cars and 35 like trucks and SUVs.
30?
Yeah.
But that's inside and out?
Yeah, inside out.
Hey, you guys were talking for a cool minute.
Yeah, he said he gets really, really busy, so that if I ever need to work, to just let him know.
But you're not gonna charge 35.
I know his clients are gonna be expecting that price, so they probably won't book with me. But it is what it is. The quality difference is there.
But he seemed cool. He wasn't I'm not gonna tell you nothing.
Nah, he was chill. He was chill. All right, so you guys have it. That's my maintenance wash. Let me know how you guys have your maintenance washes in the comments down below. And if you like this video, make sure you guys like, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.